So this is the handheld welding machine by Saker. Just showing you what's in the box and if it's really worth the buy if you're into doing do-it-yourself stuff. So when you get the box, it's actually in the case. So all the items are in the case, which is good. The case is waterproof. And here's what you will get. You got the machine, the welding machine. You'll get the rods in the cable. There is a manual that came with it, so you'll know what to do for safety reasons as well. So this is just the unboxing and just letting you know what's in it, and just so if you're wondering before you buy. So here's the machine. It does feel sturdy. I haven't used it yet, but I will put it out as soon as I start. And here's the manual I'm talking about. And there's a mask as well. It's plastic, so let's see how that works. And a couple of rods you can use. And there is, of course, instructions. It comes with a couple of accessories that are very useful. And so here are the welding rods. You probably will need more after starting a project, but initially that's what you get with the purchase. And again, this is the plastic mask, so that still needs to be tested. And I'm just gonna quick browse. If you want to look at the manual, you can just pause and then make it bigger. But yes, this is it. There will be, of course, instructions and just safety operating instructions and the parts of the machine as well, because you will need to know that in order to operate it safely. And if you ever wonder and are curious, because this was coming out of, I think, Facebook. So there's a couple of purchases in Facebook that takes a little while to get sent. So this one came through. So this is legit, just in case you are wondering. And again, here is the model number for this one. It should be the SK-PWM110B. And I will be putting in initial operations as I go. But this is just the unboxing.